Well, I've hit another milestone in my life. I am now officially unemployed. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. This Saturday, December 14th, marks my first official day of no longer being on the books of my old employer. They did want to do a disciplinary removal for not being at work and other reasons and that's where attorneys earn their money. Thank you for that team. They drafted some paperwork, we sent some documentation over there, and everybody's agreed that I have a non-punitive removal, that it will be I'm being removed due to medically being unable to perform the duties of my job. I still have my medical retirement going through. That's a different part of the company that works on that, and unfortunately they're never in any big hurry to do right by the employees, so it's just going to be a wait and see. So guys, this is all I got now is YouTube, so go ahead, like, share, comment, subscribe. Let's grow the channel. This is why I've invested money into Z28, to bring you good content. All I ask in return, man, let's help grow the channel. Let's share, like, comment, all these things to let YouTube know this is great stuff and we can grow the channel. So game plan for today, we're waiting for FedEx to show up with my nice fuel injectors, which I'll show you, and I'll have the cam lube, so we'll go ahead and we'll be able to get the camshaft in and make some progress on this engine. And then I gotta go pick up the wife's vehicle. I need to change her oil and put in this trailer hitch. I do have the Auxbeam lights in the Cruise. Absolutely amazing. And by the end of this video, we will reveal the winner of the LED light kit, and you're going to be happy with these things. They are amazing. I drove the Cruise around last night in the rain and they were amazing. Before, when it was raining, I couldn't see anything on the road. These things lit up the white lines, everything, just lit them up real nice. I compared it to the way the halogen is, and it reflected perfectly. It's an amazing difference. So if anybody's out there in the market for some Auxbeam, they're around $50. You can't go wrong with that. Really depends on what set you need and buy, but around 50 seems to be about the average. I'll leave a link down below, my Amazon affiliate links. Yeah, I get a small commission if you buy from that, but it doesn't add anything to your cost. So if you are looking for some LED lights or anything like that, some Christmas gifts, use the links down below and go ahead and shop for those products. But the Auxbeams definitely seem to be a nice product, and like I said, it mimics the halogen perfectly. Look for my video, my review video. It'll be up, actually it'll be live before this vlog posts. So let me go ahead, I'm going to do a little cleaning on the Camaro to get ready for some stuff, and then I'm going to go get the wife's vehicle. What I've been wanting to do for a while is go ahead and paint this cover, and what I need to do is get the seal out of the way, and this is where the proper tools definitely come into play and help you out. You need to go ahead and ooh, man, this thing is stuck. It is not wanting to give up easily, but it is coming out slowly but surely. Wow, I don't think I've ever had a seal give that much of a fight. Wow. There we go. Been wanting to paint this for some time now, but the weather has not played well in my favor. Ooh, dang power washer hose. Even if you can't see it, it's gonna be good because this thing rusted like nobody's business. And it'll be good to protect it a little bit. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment you've been waiting for. The day we put the cam shaft in the car. I'm going to lube the hell out of this first bearing. doesn't hurt. What we're going to do is this in sections. Oh, I need my bucket. I need this grease drips. There we go. So let me make sure this. Oh. The hard part. Ooh. There we go. Now to try to get it into that first bearing without doing any damage. Oh, come on. This is where it helps to have the cam gear installed so you can help pick up on the back of the cam. Try to get it into that last lobe, that last bearing. There we go. Problem is it's so far back and you have to pick it up. And you need that leverage to do that. Alright, now we'll take this off for now. Next thing we're going to do is put this cam plate in here, get this installed. Keep the cam from walking forward in the block. Now we're going to take some of this cam lube and put it here. Now this is what we're looking for, is 0, because we are going to install this top dead center. Let's go ahead and make sure this thing's clean. And it's fucking, as they say, as close as it's going to get. Here I have the lifter's been soaking in oil. I bought this little bucket at Home Depot, works pretty good, but I moved some of them over here to kind of let some of that excess oil out. So now what we want to do is drop this thing with the wheel straight. I dropped it in with the wheel straight in. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and coat these with some lube. It's very critical we put this wheel in facing straight. That way it rolls on the cam the way it's supposed to. Now we need to make sure we put these guide plates in here. is what keeps the cam from turning sideways and rolling against the bearings. I did not know this at first when I took them out. Okay. Next step, we're going to go ahead and drive this seal in with the right tool, seal driver. Very inexpensive thing to pick up from Harbor Freight. So a little bit of an update. Here are the injectors. You've probably seen them floating around the background. I have not discussed them as of yet. You might notice a little bit difference in the appearance of all of these. See, these four down here have caps, top and bottom. These three only have caps on the top. This one has no caps whatsoever. So I messaged Summit, showed them a picture of this, and asked them if they sent me somebody's used returns. They said they don't sell returned products, and they are shipping me out a brand new box that it'll be leaving Monday and coming. Not a big deal because I'm not ready to put them in as of yet, but this is a little concerning. These are from Trick Flow, which make really good heads. Really just disappointed in this, that these injectors are in here bouncing around the box with nothing protecting or keeping dirt from getting into these sensitive little holes where the fuel sprays out of. I'm not too concerned with the top, although it is a fine part. This is where the fuel rail goes in here, and then this injects into your engine. So both should be protected like this to keep dirt, debris, and anything from getting in there. There's fine little holes that fuel sprays in, so not too happy with that, but Summit's making it right, and they're sending me another pair. Alright, I've made a lot of great progress on the Camaro, but this video is already getting a little long. I'm at about 12 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and stop it there and save this footage for the next vlog, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that. So now the moment you have all been waiting for is time to draw the winner of the Auxbeam LED headlight set. So I'm going to go ahead and record my screen live, and we're going to go to that, and we're going to go ahead and pick a winner. So let's start this screen recording. 3, 2, 1. Alright, right here, draw winners. It's totally random. One winner. Okay, draw. Kenneth Owens, you are the winner. Okay, so Kenneth Owens, you have won the LED headlights. Congratulations, your name was picked. Look for an email to come from me. carvlogl@gmail. I'll be emailing you. I'm going to need your, and I'll tell you an email. I'm going to need to know what make and model car you're putting this in, and then I'll need an address. We'll do this via email because we don't need your stuff getting out there, but congratulations. As soon as I get that, I'll send it to my contact at Auxbeam, and they will send you the lights directly. So congratulations for winning, man. Merry Christmas. It's a nice little Christmas gift for you. So anyhow, everybody, make sure you like, share, comment. It all helps grow the channel. It shows its interaction, and it helps YouTube just recommend my videos that help me grow. If you're doing some Christmas shopping, if you're using Amazon, I have links down below. If you click on that, just click on those, go to Amazon. You can shop wherever you want, just as long as I direct you there. I get a commission, and that money helps me buy equipment, cameras, memory cards, batteries, and car parts, most importantly, so I can bring you great content. So yeah, making lots of progress with the car. The guy with the intake, he said he's waiting on one part to come in. He's hoping it'll come in either today or tomorrow, and he'll get the intake. He still hasn't heard from the company that makes the cylinder heads. That's a little disappointing, but if I had the intake, at least I can mock it up somewhat on top of the engine, and we can start working on routing some fuel lines and getting that figured out, so that way when the heads come in, man, we can get this girl fired up and hear this big cam and finally drive this car. I'm tired of her sitting like 3 wheels off the ground in the garage. So man, thank you everyone for your continued support. It's been a great 2019. I cannot wait for 2020. Man, the channel's ramping up. You know, we broke 4,000 not that long ago when I did that trip to New York a few months back. I hit 4,000, and now within a short time I've already added another 1,000 subscribers. So it's been great. Thank you, everyone. Like I said, like, share, comment, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.